Hello friends, so chapter number 13 is going on and only one type of this chapter is left. Today we are going to complete this chapter. So last exercise is related to probability. So what is the meaning of probability? Probability means possibility. So for example, in a week there are 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. How many days are there? 7. So we have to find the probability of getting Sunday in a week. So what is the formula? For solving the questions related to probability, you have to keep one thing in your mind: total number of outcomes and favorable outcomes. So see, favorable outcomes, and second is total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Listen properly. If by seeing there is some confusion, so listen to me properly. First I have written favorable outcomes and second is total number of outcomes. Formula for finding the probability. Formula for finding the probability. Formula for finding the probability. P stands probability. Probability will be favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So what is favorable outcome? For example, just I told to you, in a week, how many days are there? 7. And we have to find the probability of getting Sunday. So total days are Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So how many Sunday are there? Only one Sunday is there. And total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday is here. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So probability getting Sunday. Favorable outcome. Favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. How many Sunday are there? 1. Total are 7. So 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is the probability of getting Sunday in a week. So like this, now from exercise 13.4 I will solve the question. Now see. The probability of getting a head when a coin is tossed. So when we toss a coin, so there are two, it means chances, head or tail. Two options are there, head or tail. So if a coin is tossed, so it may be head or it may be tail. So equally likely chance. So total number of outcomes 2. Total number of outcomes is equal to 2. So we have to find the probability of getting head. Favorable outcome favorable outcomes 1. So probability getting getting head favorable by total number. So what is favorable? Favorable is 1 because we have to find the probability of getting head. Head will be only 1. Total is 2. So 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Understood? Okay. Similarly, the probability of drawing a black ball from a bag containing 5 black balls and 3 red balls. So a bag contains how many balls? 5 black balls and 3 red balls. 5 and 3, 8. So this will be total number of outcomes. Now, how many black are there? 5. So we have to find the probability of drawing a black ball. So black balls are 5. So favorable by total, it means 5 by 8. 5 by 8. So right option is C, 5 by 8. Favorable 5 and total number 8. So now question number 2. In which case the chance of desired outcome is more? Getting S in a toss of a coin, getting 4 in a throw of a die. So 1 by 2, half chance. And in a die there are 6 faces. Okay, now question number 2 I am solving. When a coin is tossed, so coin head and tail. So total number of outcomes 2. Favorable outcome favorable outcome 1. So probability of getting head favorable by total. Favorable by total. So what is favorable? 1, total 2. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the probability of getting head in first. Now second case. So a die has how many faces fitted? 6 faces. So on each face there is marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 is 6. So 6. So to getting probability of getting 4. So favorable outcome. On a die, 4 is marked only one time. So favorable outcome. Second part I am solving. Favorable outcomes 1. So total number of outcomes 6. Because 1 on die 6 marks, 6 numbers are marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on each face. A die has 6 faces. On each face points are marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 and favorable is 1. So probability of getting 4. So 1 by 6. So this is 6 part of 1. This is 2 part of it means second part. So first is desired. It means more than second. So this is the solution. Last also like this you can try yourself. So I hope you have understood. Very very simple exercise. So this is all for today. Now this chapter is over and in next week I will take your online class also. And if you have any doubt, any confusion, that time silently you can ask your doubts. I hope there will be no problem in this chapter. Very very easy chapter. And students, prepare well. Your syllabus is completed. Now I will start your revision, and in revision also I will, it means try to send more videos, and I hope you will take the benefit of this one and you will use and you will watch them properly. Thank you.